Abraham Hicks reminds us that when you focus on how good the good is, the good gets better. I think you'll agree with me that we have a tendency as human beings to dwell on the things that could be better in our lives, right? We do that. We put a lot of energy into what we feel we should be doing. We pay a lot of attention to the lack or the loss in our lives. But I'm sure you have heard along the way that, man, it's important to focus on the positive things in your life. Now, it's clear that we all have to deal with difficulty in our lives, right? But I believe that if we were able to somehow see the good that we have in our lives, we'll be able to push back on the tough circumstances that we're facing. You see, whether good or bad, positive or negative, what you focus on grows. Whatever you focus on expands, right? They say that what you think about, you bring about. And so open up your eyes. That's my challenge and encouragement to you. Open up your eyes to see the good in life. Remember that the universe is going to give you what you put into the world. So focus on how good the good is, and the good will get better. This has been a Keep On Pushing moment. Make sure you leave a comment on this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and yeah man, share this with your friends as well. And until we connect next time, keep on pushing.